Hello guys，欢迎想养猫的呆呆。So this is the English episode of Crypto TV, and welcome guys to the Gate Live streaming room. So I'm the hostess Grace. And Crypto TV is hosted by Gate. Will integrate the latest crypto hotspots for you this week and helping you not miss any major event in the crypto. So last Monday, PayPal launched its latest ERC20 stablecoin, which called PYUSD. Like the mainstream stablecoins, PYUSD is pegged to the US dollar and can be exchanged one-to-one with the US dollar. And it is backed by US short-term treasury bonds, cash, and other equivalents. It also publishes monthly reserve report and is audited by accountants. According to PayPal, this asset is mainly to simplify online virtual transactions and facilitate developers to receive funds directly. This attempt marks the first exploration in this area by a major US financial company. So, what is the intention behind PayPal's move to launch the US dollar stablecoins? And what impact will it have on the crypto market? So, let's dive into it and have a look at some details. So, as usual, during the live stream and while you are watching it, everyone can claim the red packets that are distributed by our official administrator. Okay, I saw her has been here, so welcome everyone. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, we all know that PayPal is a giant in the global payment industry with 430 million global users. As a leader in the traditional financial industry, why did PayPal launch the US dollar stablecoin, PYUSD? So, Taki, the HF Research believes that this may be because PayPal stock PYPL has performed poorly in the past 2 years, and its stock price has fallen by about 80% from its peak. So naturally, PayPal's management is under pressure to find new revenue streams to create value for their stakeholders. So let's look at the crypto world. Tether, who made USDT, and the company Tether has made huge profits because of the insurance of USDT. In the second quarter of this year alone, Tether made more than 1 billion US dollar, and all they did was put their dollar reserves into treasury bonds. And Tether took all the treasury interest paid by the government, and USDT holders actually got nothing. So, from this point of view, PayPal's entry into the stablecoin is a good choice. PayPal has hundreds of millions of users, so they can integrate the PYUSD into PayPal and create demand and earn much profit like Tether. As a similar example, Coinbase made 374 million US dollar in exchange fees in the second quarter and 240 million US dollar in the interest income from the USDC and Circle. Therefore, the recent popularity of RWAs, the real-world asset, and the favorable regulatory policies, as well as the expectation of a bull market in the crypto that are brought by the halving of Bitcoin next year, and all of the reasons above conducive and like all of the reasons that encouraged PayPal to enter the crypto market. And in addition, Taki also believes that the current discussion on stablecoin regulation is becoming more and more intense. And the entry of PayPal also means the entry of more lobbying money in the US government. So the past example of this one, it reminds me of FTX. FTX donated a lot of money to the American politics. So PayPal can strengthen their politic power of the cryptocurrency, certainly. And in addition to PayPal, MakerDAO also holds more than 2 billion US dollars in short-term government bonds, and the interest obtained flow into the repurchase of MakerDAO's token MKR. Thus, it formed a new model of the government is buying positions in the crypto market. So that's a good model, which brings positive income to the crypto market. Okay, I saw that our administrator is asking, can you use this stablecoin in your daily life? I think we certainly can. And will you use PYUSD instead of USDT? Thank you for your question. Yeah, I think definitely PYUSD is very convenient for most of US citizens. Yeah. So there are more detailed explanation in the next page. So let's continue. According to the data in the 2023, the second quarter, the financial report released by PayPal, the total payment volume of the platform has reached 376 billion US dollars. The transaction volume has reached 6.1 billion US dollars. So the total number of active accounts in the past 12 months is 431 million, and the number of countries served exceeds 200. So we can see that users of PayPal is around the world, and the trading volume happened on PayPal is extremely high. However, compared with the market value of tens of billions of dollars in the mainstream stablecoin in the current market, PayPal's scale is still fledgling. But according to the data in its financial report, if 10% of the transaction volume can be realized using the PYUSD, then its market capacity may be close to 10 billion US dollars, which can directly rank in the forefront of the current stablecoins. Therefore, in terms of market size, PayPal's platform PYUSD is likely to grow into another leader in the stable currency industry in a short period of time. I'm really excited about it, and I think we can all looking forward to it. According to the official announcement, PYUSD will be launched in the next few weeks, and eligible US customers who purchase PayPal USD will be able to. The first thing is to transfer PYUSD between PayPal and compatible external wallet. The second is to use PYUSD for person-to-person payment. The third thing is that select PYUSD for purchases at their checkouts. The fourth is that convert any cryptocurrency supported by PayPal to USDs, PYUSDs. And the last thing is to buy and sell via PayPal at $1 to per one PayPal US dollar. So the launch of PayPal stablecoin PYUSD is undoubtedly a milestone in the crypto world. The payment giant is about to open the door to the crypto world for 430 million users. As the only supported stablecoin within PayPal network, the PYUSD leverages PayPal's decades of experience in mass payment combined with the speed, cost, and the programmability of blockchain protocols. So PayPal USD is an ERC20 token issued on the Ethereum blockchain. So it is available to the already large and growing community of external developers, wallet, and Web3 applications, and easily connects to exchanges. The arrival of PayPal stablecoin is another important milestone event in the crypto industry on the road to compliance, because it means that the crypto industry, which starts with payment, has a new round of imagination. However, as far as the industry is concerned, the launch of PayPal stablecoin may not be all good news. Why is that? Let's figure out next. Okay, thanks to our official administrator to distribute the red packet, and I hope everyone is lucky enough to draw it. and congratulations to the ones that who draws the red packet. And let's continue. The stablecoin launched by PayPal will undoubtedly lead to a decline in USDT's market share. There are about 126 billion US dollars worth of stablecoins in circulation now, with Tether holding USDT by far the largest, and the data is from CoinGecko. Tether stablecoin USDT currently has a market share of 67.2%. And although Palo, who is the chief technology officer of Tether, USDT's issuer, said that the launch of PayPal stablecoin will not affect Tether because the company does not provide services to US users. However, shortly after the news of launch of PayPal stablecoin, according to Curve's official data, USDT has slightly not pegged and falling, which means de-entered, falling to around 0.9979 US dollars. So the market did act to the news. And PYUSD's road to compliance also seems to highlight the loosening of regulatory policies in various countries and regions. Since Singapore and Hong Kong embraced Web3 and gained many dividends, there are signs that the attitude of the US political circle is changing, intending to embrace digital assets with the times, like BlackRock applied for Bitcoin ETF. The court ruled that XRP is not a security, and then PayPal issued the stablecoin PYUSD. Changes in the regulatory environment often determines the fate of an industry. So after PayPal's announced the launch of its payment stablecoin, Patrick McHenry, chairman of the U.S. House of Representatives Financial Services Committee, issued a statement saying that this is very interesting. There is another stablecoin in the United States. It may lead to a reduction in payment revenue that mainly supports MasterCard and Visa. At the same time, it will also help the industry to develop further and promote sound regulatory policies. And Josie, PayPal's senior vice president of cryptocurrency, said in an interview that we do believe that stablecoins are the killer app in the Web3 industry, and the advantages in terms of settlement time, cost, and speed are very important, but it will take some time for mainstream payment adoption. So we took a crypto-first approach and started exploring some retail use cases. When it comes to competition, I believe we are going to have some market share here, but also believe there's a lot of demand in the market for more fully backed and regulated stablecoins, which is a boon for the industry as a whole good development. I agree to Josie very much. And we can see that PayPal has determined to dig into Web3, and they do have big plans here. And also, Josie believes that PayPal's USD stablecoins has several advantages compared with the existing USDT and USDC. The first is PayPal's unique ecosystem. There are millions of consumers and merchants who will be able to acquire PYUSD and use it as transaction funds settled in stablecoins. Second, PayPal has established deep connections with banks over the years so that stablecoins can be quickly exchanged for fiat currencies. The third point is the advantages of compliance and supervision issued by the New York Trust. PYUSD draws on PayPal's 20 years of experience in tackling and preventing online financial crimes. So it do sounds very reliable and quite experienced. So I think the market will find the PYUSD is a trustworthy ones, and then it may onboard like millions or billions new users to blockchain. That's a good sign. So in short, I think PYUSD will have a long-term positive impact on crypto market. It can not only introduce a large number of users and funds into crypto, but also increase the support of the US government to the whole industry. In line with the popular RWA real-world asset sector this year, PayPal has already set an example among traditional financial companies, and more business will emerge in the RWA field in the future. In addition, there is news that US SEC may pass the Bitcoin spot ETF at the end of this year or early next year. So I think there might be a new wave of rise in Bitcoin or other mainstream cryptocurrencies. So let's looking forward to it really. Okay, so thanks to our administrator to distribute the red packet, and congratulations to all lucky users who draws it. So the above is the whole content of this episode of Crypto TV, and now let's have a preview on the event of Gate Live this week. So the theme of this Thursday's roundtable is how to tap the potential tokens on the layer 2 before the explosion of the layer 2 track. Because layer 2 has been a very hot topic since since the end of last year, and the major upgrade of Ethereum, Cancun upgrade, which is expected to be implemented in the fall and winter this year, has a core goal of enhancing the scalability, security, and usability of the Ethereum network. So it will greatly reduce the gas fee of the layer 2 network. Therefore, if it is successfully implemented, it will directly benefit the layer 2 rollups ecology of Ethereum. Yeah, so I think it will be a good idea to invest in layer 2 in advance. So this Thursday, we invited several senior experts in layer 2 to talk about how to tap the potential tokens on it. And also this Friday, we will have the market analysis roundtable as usual, and the theme is how to achieve the stable profit in the current volatile market. So this week we invited 3 popular streamers on Gate Live to analyze the market and candlesticks for us. So please make sure you make the appointment to the 2 event, and hope you like this episode of Crypto TV, and hope you are lucky enough to draw the right packet. So see you next time, the same time next week for Crypto TV. Okay. Bye, guys.